Hello everyone, this is my very first scouting video. I hope it goes pretty well for me. I am scouting for the Animal version 2 Maki. This is going to be my very second scout in the game. This was going to be my first, but the pickup box that had the Fairy Tale Mermaid sets came out, and I was really excited to get either one of those sets. Ended up getting a Mermaid Ellie, so that was kind of cool. Sorry about the video quality right here. I couldn't find a good screenshot program, so this is what we're going to be doing now. I have 200 gems, I have 5 scouting tickets, and then I'll have enough for my very first blue ticket scout. So, yeah, I guess we should get right to it. Oops. Oh! Hey! I got an SR! And it's a smile! I need smiles. I have a total of, well, not including this one, I have 8 SRs on my account right now, and 6 of them are pure. So, yeah, I'm getting a bit of a thingamajigga. Okay. And a nice one. And a ding. Yay! There are a lot of cards that I don't have, so I'm really kind of excited to see just whatever I get and just hopefully beef up my teams more than I am now, because it can be a bit difficult with events and stuff. Okay, come on, Maki. Yep. And a Zozomi. Not quite what I was looking for, but that's okay. Let's see. Come on! Okay. Apparently, I'm not allowed to view her. Nope. You troublemaker, Nozomi. Magician set. Let me just go back and see. Umi. Okay. I want Maki, though. Okay. Number 2. Yep. Oh! I can finally idolize that Maki! Yay! And the other one... No, I don't think I had that Maki yet, so that's good. Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh, she's so cute! Why can't I click on any of these? Oh, that's driving me nuts. I think that's an event card, and... Is it? Yeah, I think it is, but, I don't think I started when that event came out. So, I hope it's an event card. She's really cute, though. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys, that I can't click on these. Like, I'd really like to show you the card. I don't know what's going on with my thing. Okay. Third one. Maki! Oh, I don't really care for the marine set Idolized, but with the little Ice King cone, and her face is just so cute. Ah. Oh, that's so cool. Yes. Okay. Here's where you are. Come on, Maki. Try it. Oh. Oh. Nico's not really my favorite character, but look at that with the little chicks. I really love this set. The only card out of this set that I don't like is the idolized version of Umi, just because I think the ears are kind of weird. But everything else is just awesome. Well, no first URs for me for that, but I do have one scouting ticket to do, so let's find out what I get there. Oh, yay! Oh, I love the dolphin! Oh, she's so cute! Oh, I really wanted that card. It wasn't one I was going to scout for, but I'm really happy I got that. That's really, really cute. Well, no luck with me for URs or anything on this round, but I got a bunch of new cards, a whole bunch of new rares and stuff I haven't gotten, so I'll have to go through and see exactly what I got there. I guess we can go ahead and take a look. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new SRs for me to play with, which is really good because I still like have rares on my team and stuff. So I'm a pretty new player. I only started a month or so ago. Anyway, the next set that I'm going to be scouting for will be the fairy set. It's probably my favorite set in the entire game, so I'm just going to save up all the gems I can for that one. I've still got a bunch of the, like, free or so gems from, like, normals and stuff that I haven't done yet, so hopefully I'll get a good amount by the time that comes around. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.